How to add Facebook account to your Instagram Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to add your Facebook account to your Instagram's Lite account, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Instagram Lite application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile's logo or your profile picture. Just click on it. Then it will take you to this page where you'll get all the information about your Instagram account. Now, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a three-bar option. Click on it, then go to Settings. In Settings, in the top, under Your Account, you'll see an option which says Account Center. Go there, and now, in Account Center, what you're going to do is scroll to the bottom of the page, and under Accounts, you can see the option which says Add More Accounts on the blue text. Click on it. Then you can see three options: add Facebook account, add Instagram account, and last add Meta account. Go to the option add Facebook account, then choose the account you want to add. After that, continue. Then you will successfully add your Facebook account to your Instagram Lite account. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope this video was very informational and helpful to you, and see you guys in the next video.